How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. If your Wi-Fi is not showing up on Windows 11, simply click on the Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and simply search for Services. Under the Best Match, you will find Services. Click on Open button at right panel. Here you simply need to scroll to the bottom of your screen and look for WLAN autoconfig, and once you find it, you simply need to right click on it. Now from this menu choose Properties and choose the startup type to Automatic with the help of this drop down menu box. And then you need to click on Apply button and then click the Start button and start the service. With that, your Wi-Fi not showing off issue will be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.